For August, the bridge work we're working on is the prone flexion extension and the supine flexion extension. So what you're doing is, in the bridge position, you're going to change that shape from that nice hollow body shape into that extended shape. So in this position here, I'm just going to get into that bridge. You can do it on the knees, and you're just slowly breathing in for 5, out for 5, hold out for 5. So you do 4 reps in a minute. Obviously make it harder on the toes, breathing in for 5, breathing out for 5, hold out for 5. It's nice to get that nice protraction through the shoulder blades, as well as slight elevation as the hollow shape comes up. You can have the hands further out, makes it a lot heavier through the core. You want to keep it nice and smooth with the breath, and to get that is 4 breaths in a minute, so 1 breath every 15 seconds. Then the reverse of that is on the back, palms facing up. You can have them up higher like that. You can turn those thumbs back a little bit, feet together, and you've got to breathe in, arch, breathe out, hollow. Now this one is a lot easier with the knees bent. As you start straightening them out, it gets a lot harder to control that shape. So if you come right out with straight legs, getting that tucked under position there, it's harder. In, out, holding out. So nice and simple. 3 sets of that for 6 minutes. Great for that awareness and control through your line for handstands, but predominantly it's really just that conditioning through there and control for your posture. So get into that. If you've got any questions, film it, get it back to me. I'll see you soon.